Everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I want to show you how to add polychromatic effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click New Project. Add the video that you want to edit. This one, click at the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original video like this, but in this video I wanna add polychromatic effect, so just click on the effect at the bottom. This one, click on it, and in here you can click on the video effect, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see on blink. This one, blink. Click on it and swipe down until you can see polychromatic effect. Polychromatic effect. This one, polychromatic. Click on it and click check icon. After this, you can adjust the effect, so just click on the adjust at the bottom. And then you can adjust for the size, like this. And then you can adjust for the number. You can adjust for the filter. And after this, you can click check icon at the bottom. And now you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish! So that's how to add polychromatic effect on CapCut. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye-bye.